everyone, today's video is going to be my Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. Boom! This thing is big. Sorry if I scared you there. This one retails for $50 a month. It is hefty. $50, that's a lot. So it's $50 a month. You get 8 full-size products, 4 sample-size products, and then you can add on up to 5 products if you want to. I probably won't be doing any add-ons, just as like a heads up there, but really excited to see what's in this one. I purchased this myself. This is not sponsored. You're gonna get my full honest opinions in it. So let's go. So first off, I really love the whole rebranding moment of it. I feel like it's really just aesthetically pleasing, very on trend. You open it up and boom. Although I do wish the box said Ultimate on the top. I don't know, that's me being picky. So opening up this box, we get the card with all the information in it. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. As you guys know from the regular Ipsy glam bag, so this is the regular glam bag. This is the bag that you're gonna get in the box this month. This thing is awesome. Oh my God, this is my new makeup bag. I'm like so into leopard right now. I even have my leopard scrunchie right there. I should put that in my hair actually. Hang on, let's do that. Let's make this whole like a leopard vibe. By the way, I always get questions asked about my scrunchies. These ones I got from Target. They're the Sincerely Jules collaboration, but we got the leopard theme going. This is really, really nice actually. This is totally gonna replace my makeup bag. You got a nice little pocket in there, the tassels, the hardware looks all great. Really reasonable size. Stoked about that. That's already a big one. Oh, we got some sheet masks. So I love these ones. These ones are from Sue A, and it's the Panda sheet mask right here. So it's actually an eye mask, so it only has this portion of it, but it feels so cooling on the eyes. And I believe, do you get 2 of them in here? Yep, you get 2 of them right here. So you get 2 eye masks in there. That is great. And then next up right here, we have the Gigi Gorgeous, the Only Blush Duo. So I've actually been using this one already. Let me grab it. Here's the one that I've been using. So that way I could just give this one away and I don't waste product. But I've been loving it. Sometimes I swirl my brush around in it and I pop it onto the cheeks, or I'll just go into this guy right here and use it by itself. But it's really, really pretty. I actually got this one in the smaller version in one of my glam bags. So it's gorgeous. This is this glam bag size right here. So you guys can kind of see the comparison. I really love the sizing of this. And also that one that came in my glam bag was an account that was separate from this one. So it's not a repeat item for me, just as a heads up if anyone's wondering. But love this collab that Gigi Gorgeous was doing with them. I think it turned out really, really well, and I have some favorites in it. So that is another thumbs up there because I like the product. It wears well on the cheeks. The longevity is great. So that's a thumbs up. Next up, we have a Wander Beauty product. This is the Wondrous Rush eyeshadow palette here. And this is what it, ooh, the colors on the back look really pretty. It's very like fall vibes to it. These are some of the swatches right here. This is actually really, really nice. I have to say though, I have seen Wander Beauty in many subscription bags this month, like in a lot. They're kind of like a subscription bag hoe. I love Wander Beauty, so no shade there, but they are in so many this month. But look at how beautiful that shade is right there, that shimmer one. That is gorgeous. And then Avenue, oh my gosh, these are so pigmented. These are beautiful. Here's like a little close-up of them. A great palette for right now too. Like just like it's perfectly seasonally on trend. Okay, so next up we have the Chlorine Shampoo. I am so pumped for this one, you guys, because these are the best dry shampoos ever. They are so good. I have been through probably 3 of these already, and I'm like down to like my last little tin. And I'm so excited to have another backup because they are amazing. They don't feel like you have like a ton of gunk in your hair, and it really cleans up those oils. I'm telling you, you guys need to check this one out. This is definitely on like my top favorite dry shampoo list is Balm. So excited for that one. Yes, thumbs up. Ooh, okay, so we have another Murad product in here, and I'm actually really stoked about this one. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. This is exactly what I need. I love Murad right now. Like Murad has been really impressing me. Their Hydrate line, I talk about this all the time. I love it. So I actually got the moisturizer in one of my glam bags. So I'm very excited to see this serum because this is something that I really need right now. I am dealing with dark spots and like leftover acne scars that were from a blemish, fun stuff. That's what I'm dealing with right now. I've got my texture and breakouts all under control. I just need something to help even out the skin tone and get rid of those dark spots. So this is something I'm definitely going to be trying ASAP. I'm a little nervous because I know it's got to have vitamin C in it, but so far I've been using a vitamin C cleanser from Ofra, and that one's been working out great for me. So I'm hoping and crossing fingers that this one's going to work for me too, but very stoked. Alrighty, so next up we have the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. This is a great line from IT Cosmetics. I really love their moisturizer, which is what we got in the glam bags this month. I love their Confidence in Eye Cream, which I've already said before many times. It's one of my favorite eye creams. So we have the cleanser here. I actually have this cleanser. I just have yet to try it out. I really need to use this cleanser and see how I like it on my skin. I feel like it's going to feel really refreshing and hydrating, and it's not going to leave your skin feeling stripped. But that is just my guesses of it because I know this line, and this line is very hydrating, and it's really just refreshing on the skin. So definitely need to be trying this one out ASAP. All right, so next up we have a Trestique product, and we see Trestique all the time in the glam bags. This is the Color and Contour Cheek Stick. It's in Brazilian Bronze. Trestique is a hit or a miss for me. A lot of their products I'm really not overly excited about, so it'll be interesting to see what I think about this one. It comes with a brush inside, it says. Wait, how do you get the brush? Oh wait, okay. So there is the brush right there. I'd probably just go ahead and use my sponge or my own brush, but that's nice that it comes with one. And then this is the bronzer shade. Ooh, actually, I can't knock it before I try it because it blends out really pretty, and I think that's a really nice shade there too, for especially if I'm self-tanned. So definitely can't knock this before I try it. So going to give it a go. Just being honest though, a lot of the Trestique products, I mean, they're just kind of like a hit or a miss for me. So I'm definitely going to try that out and see how that goes, and hopefully it's not splotchy or anything, but so far it looks good. Next up we have this product, which is Bite Your Kiss. Just says it on the packaging. What is it? Oh, this is their nail polish. This is the Smith & Colt Bite Your Kiss. It's a nail polish. Really beautiful packaging. The packaging is just very luxurious. Definitely need to try this color on my toes because I do my nails at the salon, but the toes, I hate pedicures. Pedicures are like, oh, I don't like people touching my feet. So I will paint this on my toes and see how those wear. Oh my God, okay, we have Youth to the People here, you guys. And this is a skincare brand that I actually discovered in Sephora. And now they're starting to come in the glam bags, which is really exciting. This is the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. It's kale and spinach hyaluronic acid, so it's a very hydrating cream. This must be one of the little sample size products, so definitely going to be trying this one out. Really stoked. I like Youth to the People. They have really good ingredients in their skincare, and they're just very gentle on the skin. So that, thumbs up. And next up we have an Ava NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. It has Caravis and argan oil, so this is going to be really moisturizing. It says that it's going to detangle, smooth, and moisturize the hair, and it's for all hair types. So this will be an interesting one to try out. I have to be honest though, there's a few products I have tried out from Ava NYC that I haven't been the most thrilled about, so we'll see what I think about this one. Next up we have a sugar lip scrub, and this is from Kismat Buff. So I believe this is a repeat. I have seen this in past bags before. So this is just a regular lip scrub. Use a scrub and exfoliate the lips. Will actually kind of be really good right now for the winter time because we are all so dry and chapped, especially here in San Diego where you have like no moisture in the air. So that will be nice. And then last but not least, we got a full size of Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Oh, we got another serum. So why did they give me 2 serums in here? I don't hate it, but I kind of wish I would have gotten something a little bit different than the same type of category of a product that I already got in the box this month. So I don't understand why they put 2 of the same. I mean, they are gonna do different things because this is a anti-wrinkle booster serum. So this is not going to like target like dark spots or anything like that, but I would rather have a different type of product if I already got 1 serum in the bag to try out, because you don't want to just overload your skin with a bunch of new products. You want to easily add things into your routine, and I'm obviously not going to be doing 2 serums at once that I've never tried. So this right here, or these 2 serums, is kind of like, would not have put those in the bag, in the boxes this month together. I would have definitely saved it for a different time. So excited to try out Juice Beauty. I love Juice Beauty. That's another really good brand. They've been around for a long time. But again, that's kind of weird that I got 2 serums. Quick little overview of the box. This box is $50. I added up some of the bigger items in here to see if it makes this box worth it. So the Chlorine Dry Shampoo retails for $20 at Sephora. The Murad Serum is $72, you guys, because it's the full size. So just getting this product right here makes this box worth it. Like, say if you've been wanting to use this product or try it out or whatnot, you basically got the product plus a bunch of other things with it. So I think that's awesome right there. That's really hefty price right there. And then the It Cosmetics cleanser is $28. And then on top of that, we still have this makeup bag, which would probably be almost 20 bucks, maybe like I want to say $15 to $20 if you bought something like this at Target. So this box is definitely worth it. My only con with it is that they gave me 2 serums in my box. I would have much rather have gotten a different type of product rather than 2 serums that I can't use at the same time. So that is my only downfall with this one, but you know what? I don't care. It was a good box this month and I'm very, very impressed by it. By reading some of your guys' comments in my old video, I actually read a lot that were saying that you were very disappointed with last month's Ultimate box, which I think was the first month. So I definitely can say Ipsy stepped it up big time and like is trying to make up for it. I can see, I don't really know a whole lot what went on. I just read a couple of your guys' comments, but I can tell you this much, they really stepped up their game right here and I'm very impressed. So this one is a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below what you guys got in your box. It says that these ones are customized, so I don't really know how many different customizations are done with these boxes. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys got this month, but I am very impressed by it. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.